What you're seeing on the screen is made with the motion control feature, and this same method can be used to create trending dance videos and character animations. This AI tool I'm about to share with you is totally free, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create them step by step. Hit the like button and leave a comment below this video if you have any questions. Let's get into it. First of all, you need to get your video, your motion video, or the video you want to use as your reference. You could actually record yourself and make some movements, like I did here. I recorded myself and did some movements. Or you go to the internet, go to any social media platform and get your reference video, get the video you want your character to copy. Now, after that, you also need to get your character ready. The character you want to use to mimic whatever motion or whatever it is in the video. After I recorded myself, I did a screenshot and I sent to ChatGPT. I asked it to create a posh look-alike doll teen avatar of the uploaded picture. I said same hairstyle to etc. And then 16:9 aspect ratio. So you can describe your own image. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, right? And I got those ones and then I downloaded the image and saved on my device. Another example is this one. I said I want to generate a model walking on the runway with audiences on both sides. Please, I want very beautiful images with sequence dress that is fit for modeling. I want it very beautiful. And then I got this. I said I want a Nigerian fair lady, and I got this one. Well, I don't know if this makes any difference, but I'm going to use this, right? I want a prompt to make the model catwalk with very nice movements on the runway. So this way now, I want to create my own motion. I want to create my own videos with the motion. You can actually do that as well. You can create a reference video yourself by generating your images and animating it with any AI video tool. All you just need to do is to give it the prompts to carry out the actions you want it to do. So in this case, we want the model to catwalk, on the runway. And then it gave me this prompts. So all I did was to copy the prompts. I copied the prompts. And then I went to Grok. On Grok, I upload the image, right? And then under this part where we have type to customize video, I pasted the prompt and then I generated the video, right? I just went ahead to hit generate and it gave me the video of the model catwalking. So with this, I was able to get the model catwalk using the prompts I gave Grok. This prompt, I tried it over and over again and it gave me almost the same thing. The prompt is so good, right? So I just went ahead to save the video. So you can generate your own motion video yourself using AI, or you get it from the internet, right? Just get the motions from the internet, or you get a reference video from any social media platform. Now, after doing that, once we've gotten the image that will be mimicking our emotions and we've also gotten the video we want to use as reference, we'll just head over to this website, one.video, and this is how it looks like on the PC. I have a detailed tutorial on how to use one video using your mobile phone. I'll put the link in the description box so you can see how to access one.video using your mobile phone, because you may not be able to see all of this feature if you just access it directly like this. Now, on this website, just click on this try now. And then you click on this avatar, mimic motion, replace character, click on try now. Now, on this part, you see speech to video by default, right? Tap on it and then you click on photo animate. Then you're going to upload the character. We're going to upload the character that we want to use to mimic a video, right? So I click on character, I click upload from device, and then I'm going to choose this baby model. I got this baby model from ChatGPT as well. What I did was I told ChatGPT, let me just attach the model first so you can see. I've attached the baby model, or is attaching. While it's attaching, let me take it back to ChatGPT. I said, can you help me? The same conversation I had where I generated the image. Can you help me generate a 3D pixel cartoon baby dressed like the lady? Make her look so cute. And then I got this, right? So this is the image I got. I saved it. And then That is what I uploaded right here. So you can see that it has uploaded the baby image right here, or the baby's image here. Now on this part where we have plus video, we'll click on it and upload the video we want to copy, that we'll upload our reference video, the video we want the baby to copy. So we'll click on upload from device, and then we'll click on the lady, the model, the video we generated with Grok, right? And then we'll click open. So we'll just click on confirm and wait for it to generate. So on this platform, you don't need to put anything. You don't need to prompt it. It's straightforward. Once you upload your two elements, just go ahead and hit generate, and it's totally free. It's just that you will need to wait. You need to wait. The last generation I did, I waited for like 30 minutes. Another one, I waited for like 1 hour. So it's be on the queue like this, and you need to wait. You can even proceed to do others, open a new page or open another tab if you're using your phone and create other ones like that. Put them on the queue. So by the time they are done, you have your creations ready for use. So after that, after waiting for like 1 hour or so, I got this one at the baby cat walking, right? So it's called motion control on mimic feature on one.video. Once you've gotten your video like this, you come to this site and tap download. So we're going to download this with watermark for free. If you don't want to download with watermark, you need to subscribe. I'm going to hit download watermark. Then we're going to save it on the device. I have it saved already on my device, so I'll just cancel it. Now I'm going to show you other websites you can create something like this. Let's say you cannot wait. You want a watermark free video. You cannot wait. You want to create multiple videos for your social media page in this regard, and you cannot wait. I want to show you 2 to 3 more websites you can do motion control videos, right? So the first one I'll be talking about is this one. It's called freepik.com. Freepik.com. On Freepik is a very good website. It's a very good AI tool that can help create motion control. So on Freepik, click on video generator. You can access this through your mobile phone as well. Click on video generator, and then you can see character motion. So on this side, the model will pick Kling. You can either use Kling or Cedars. Cedars is also a very good model, or you can use Kling motion control. So this is where you're going to be uploading your references. You upload your image, right? It's not free. That's why I'll ask me to upgrade. You need to upgrade, and it's actually very cheap. It's cheap. You also be asked to upload the video you want the character to mimic. So if you check their plans right now, get a plan. Look at the plans that they have. The essential plan is about 3.75 euro per month. The premium is 9 euro per month, while the premium plus is 21 euro per month, which I feel is fine. So for this one, you get 84,000 AI credits per year. This is actually good if you want to take this serious, like create a lot of content in this regard. So another website you can also try is the xfield.ai. This one also is good, and you can get very clear and beautiful videos. It's very, very good. So it has a Kling motion control model. So if you click on this one now, you'll be able to upload the the motion you want your character to copy, and it takes about 3 to 30 seconds duration. You can also add the character you want. You also upload the character right here, and you generate for about 5 credits. It's not also free. So if you check their pricing is about $9 per month, and you get 150 credits per month. So, and the last one, which I'll talk about, is the Kling AI itself. This one is also not free. But one thing about this Kling AI is they have a lot of presets that you can use as video reference. Let's say you don't have a reference, you want to copy, you can just go through their templates or their presets here and choose. Like if you want to choose this one now, look at this. You can now upload your character image. So this is the same process. This is the way baby dance videos are created. It's called the motion control feature. So it's only for baby dance videos. If you want to create yourself a picture of yourself dancing just to build your page, you don't know how to dance, you can just get a video reference of choice, take a good picture of yourself, and use these tools to create different versions of you dancing using those reference videos, right? So on this one, you will also need, it's not free, it's not totally free. Think AI is not free. So let's say I want to use this baby as the character that will mimic the, okay, he's asking me to sign in. So all of these things require that you sign in so you have full access. Okay, so this is going to be taking about 80 credits. This is 6.99 dollars per month. And that's it. All of these tools are very good. You can create an entire faceless page like on any social media platform and use AI videos to build it. You can use celebrities' motions, celebrities as reference videos, and get your own character, mimic them to create all of these things, and build your page. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, can you drop them in the comment section? If you were to use any of these tools to create your videos, which one would you prefer? Would you still like to go for a free tool or a paid tool? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.